Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to protect every single page, because now even though I'm not logged in, I will be able to go to any page if I try to do that manually. If I know the name of the files, for example, if I say here products.php, I will be able to access this page even though I'm not logged in, and I will be able to log out even though I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in the first place, which is a bug, which is also a problem. So we need to fix this problem. And to fix this problem, we have already worked on this, but we did not add the code to all pages. Remember, I have here in the login.php, I have created a code that will check whether the admin is logged in or not. And we can use a code like this, similar to this, to check whether the admin is logged in or not. And depending upon the admin status, the admin login status, we can keep them in that page that they are trying to access, or we can take them to the login page. So to do this, we need to apply this concept to all pages. And as you have seen, it's going to take a lot of time because our project now is very big. So in order to do this, I have already shown you a technique that would make the process easy, which is refactoring. Remember, the header, this header.php is included in every single page. And if we apply this concept to the header, it will be automatically applied to all pages. So here in the header, if we check whether the admin is logged in or not, we will this code will be applied to all pages. Meaning that if I check here in the header, if I check whether the admin is logged in or not, if I check if the admin is logged in the header, and keep the admin in the header page, then and keep the admin in the header page, if they are logged in, then they will be taken to that page that they are trying to access. And if I take them out from that page, they will be taken to the login page. So here in the header.php, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a code that's going to check whether the admin is logged in or not. So the first step is that we need to check whether the session is the first step is that we need to start the session. We need to say session start. Session start. And then we need to check whether the admin is logged in or not, and that can be done using the sset. And then we can check the session logged in. Session admin logged in. And here in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add here exclamation mark, and I'm going to do the reverse to what I have done here. Here I checked if the admin is logged in. If admin is logged in, then I took them to the index page. Here I'm going to do the reverse. Here I'm going to check whether the admin is not logged in. So here, if admin is not logged in, then the correct course of action is to take them to the login page, and that can be done using the header and then location login.php, and then we should say exit. So that's it. Now, since this header.php is included in every single page will be protected, no matter which page it is. Because if you check every single page, if you check the let's say the ad product, at the top we have the header. If you check the contact, at the top we have the header. So the header is our kind of our gate to the application. So if the header, if we have this code in the header, it will protect the entire application. Let me show you that now. Now, let me first refresh. Let me now try to go to one of the pages manually. If I try to go to here, if I say products.php, as you can see, I will not be able to do so. If I try to go to the contact.php, I will not be able to do so. I will not be able to here. By the way, I should say contact.php. I will not be able to do so. If I try to go to the, say we have the sales.php, I will not be able to do so, which is awesome. Now, if I log in admin at email, and if I log in now, I will be able to check any page, and I will not be able to go to the login page from the dashboard unless I log out. So if I log out, only if I log out, I will be taken to the logged out page with the log out successful message.